What's happening YouTube? Shoeboard Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we have something beautiful for you, a light to improve your photography. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. And today we're looking at the Pocketlite F7 Mini RGB LED light. So we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna show you what it can do as well, and you decide if it's really good or not. So here it says on the back that the output is 5 watts. The operating voltage is about 5 volts to 2 amps with up to 3 amps. The color temperatures though is the range is 2500K to 9000. So that's pretty good. Battery capacity, if you know anything about batteries, this is the 2600 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts. Pretty good. CRI, comment below if you know what that is 96. Lux is 0.3 meters, 1900. And a weight is about 132 grams. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Oh, yep. Unboxing. 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 Here you go. Literatures. Right there. Don't need that. And right away, what do we have? The LED light. Let's put that right there for now. And it comes with a little box. And that's it. Inside the bag is a little carabiner here. That's probably where you put your light there. Inside here is a bunch of accessories that you can use. Silica gel, don't eat that. There you go. Charging cable. Again, it's USB-C. There you go. Put that on the side. Little arm for the light itself. There you go. Little arm right there. And then a shoe that you could put on your camera there. There you go. And then this is a swivel pole right there, of course. Pretty good. And then, what else do we have here? Boom. Pretty good. Honeycomb. Whoa, that's nice. And lastly is the diffuser. This camera is legit, man. Very nice. Here you go. Now let's take out the light. Right there. And that's it. Boom. So this is the light right here. Has a little screen up there. Tripod mount on the bottom. The back has little magnets, I believe, right there. And yes, definitely it's pocketable. Very nice. So as you could see, you could toss this right there. Real easy to put on. It fits very well. It also makes space for the holes and the buttons so that it doesn't block anything like that. So that's pretty cool. You'll be able to functionally use the buttons and everything with the diffuser on. There you go. Little diffuser for the light. Or you can put the honeycomb inside this, just like that. Boom. Nice easy switch, right there. Pretty cool. Very nice. Put that right there. You can use this to mount on the bottom of this, just like that. There you go. Tighten it up with this. Good to go. There you go. And then on the side would be power button, USB-C slot for charging. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Boom! See that? That's very nice, man. Ooh, very nice. There you go. Now you could change your modes by doing that. There you go. Strobe. Just a normal LED light right there, brighter. Boom. 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 Let's try it in the dark now. Here we go. Boom. Boom. There's a bunch of different C's that you could see up there. You could change the modes. Just like that, you'll see the battery, how much battery you got up there too. I don't know if you could see that, but when you press the power button, if you press it and not hold it, you will have different modes. So as you could see there, if you press the power button there, you will have different modes. You'll see on the screen. Different lights will be turning on as well, and then you can select this by using the knob. There you go. You can also change the color by changing the knob right there. There you go. See that 9,000. And then 3,900 right there. Boom. Different mode like scenes like that. You could change that up there. There you go. You can also change that. So lots of options, really. Lots of options for this kind of light. So the other thing that the Pocketlite F7 Mini could do is it has its own app. So go ahead and download Desal Lite and we're gonna check it out. So here you can connect it through Bluetooth by turning this on. There you go. Connected via Bluetooth. Add a device. RGB SPT right there. Press add. There you go. Good to go. With that, we can now control the color of our light. As you could see there. There you go. You'll be able to control it right on your smartphone. That's pretty cool. Change the brightness as well. The best thing about this as well, if you have multiple lights, then you'll be able to sync them together. So for example, you wanted to change it together, or have a bunch of scenes where there's different lights involved, you'll be able to do that. That's pretty cool. As you can see, there's tons of options like RGB. Change that. See that? Pretty cool. Lee. Bunch of preset colors right there as well. So you could see there. Change the brightness down there. And ROSC. There you go. This is very handy. It's pretty cool. There's a lot more Pocketlite by Falconeyes. So you'll be able to check out all their merch for lights. This is just the one that you would use. It's a pocket version of it, F7 Mini. But there's the fold. There's different kinds of lights. So go ahead and check them out as well. As you could see here, you can change that. Boom. Change the brightness and the warm and coolness of the light. You can change the scenes right there. Candle, lightning 1. There you go. Police car, red flash. You can use a party right there. That's pretty cool. You can use the iTunes to import music here to sync it with the music. That's pretty cool. And then there's picture. So for example, you take a picture. Let's take a picture of their case right here. And then you can select that color right there. Right there. It'll change the color to it. There you go. Maybe you want white. There you go. That's really cool. This is how big the light is compared to my palm. And then here, the bag, you can fit everything back, so the light would fit back there. There you go. And then lots of accessories that you could put in, just like that. Charger, and then put that inside that, just like that. And then the arm will fit right in there as well. And then you just put that right in here. There you go. Pretty handy. That's pretty good. Now let me know what you think of this light and what kind of scenarios you would use this for. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of the Pocketlite F7 Mini. If you want one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It also helps out the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well. Hit the like button and share this to your friends so we can beat this YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.